Do you feel candlestick charts don't give you enough? They don't give you enough understanding of structure. That's the key thing, because that's what other people are aware of in markets. If you're only using candlestick charts or indicators, you're not understanding structure. What you're seeing is fragmented price data. You're seeing pieces of action along the way. But if you think, well, what if there was a way to visualize this by way of looking at price and volume combined? This gives you the underlying structure, because what this gives you is where people have been trading, where the majority of action has taken place in zones rather than just a constant sequence of prices. This is where profile comes in. It gives you a different perspective because it organizes the action on a day-to-day basis. It shows you where value is as opposed to just where price has been. This way, you're able to identify where the market is likely to find slower trade, where it is likely to speed up. So the probability understanding of what's going to go on massively increases. It also means that you can position yourself better, because if you can position yourself with expectation of a certain type of movement based on a profile structure, then you're much more able to make most of those asymmetric opportunities, because you can leverage as that play starts to come into fruition. So what a profile does is it takes you beyond a map. A chart is effectively a map. A profile is effectively the terrain. So now you can understand whether a market is more likely to be range bound, a liquidation move, a trend move. By understanding this, you now know the appropriate candlestick patterns to be looking for and appropriate trade strategies to apply. So if you feel like you're not seeing the bigger picture, well, it's probably because you're not. And it's this in-depth information that gives you an edge. It gives you more informed decisions. It gives you that extra insight. So if you want to see how to use a profile, if you want to see where positioning is building up from an interpretation of profile structure, come and join me 26th of November. I'll be running through profile. I'll be running this through in conjunction with candlesticks and price ladders and footprint, bringing the tools together. So I'm going to be doing that on the 26th of November. Link is below. Hit the link and come and join.